Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, your go-to source for quick and clear tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use an authenticator app with your Binance account, updated for 2025. This boosts your account security with two-factor authentication. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator from your App Store. Step 2. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Step 3. Tap your profile icon, then go to Security. Step 4. Select two-factor authentication and tap on Authenticator app. Step 5. Tap Enable. Binance will display a QR code and a key. Step 6. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code, or enter the key manually. Step 7. Your Authenticator will now generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back on Binance to verify. Step 8. Once verified, two-factor authentication via the app will be activated on your account. Pro tip: save the secret key somewhere safe. You'll need it if you lose access to your phone. That's it. You've now added extra protection to your Binance account using an authenticator app. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy guides. See you in the next one.